Hi everybody, welcome to the Chats with Chaudhry. I hope you're safe and well. Today I'm delighted by not one but three guests, and we are going to be talking about the Antibody Engineering and Therapeutics conference, which was last week. And in particular, I'm delighted to be joined by Barry Duplantis and Tim Miller, who are from IPA, Immunoprecise Antibodies. Barry is the VP of Client Relations and Tim is the Director of Business Development. And also Francisca Neethling, who is head of Biotherapeutics at Eurofins Discovery, because they are actually working in collaboration, did a Challenge USA, or Challenge Us actually, I'm saying Challenge USA, but it's actually Challenge Us at the event last week around antibodies. So Tim, Barry, Francisca, how are you first of all?
Fine, thank you.
Doing great.
Well, it's lovely to see all three of you. Now, before we start talking about AET and how the event last week and also about the collaboration, would one of you mind giving the viewers a quick overview of IPA and what you do as a business?
Yeah, sure. So IPA provides custom monoclonal antibodies to the biopharmaceutical industry. What really sets us apart, in addition to our comprehensive discovery and development services, is that we take a collaborative, data-driven approach to make sure that we get the success that our clients are looking for. And this can be done in either a classical partner or classical fee-for-service model or a partnership, assets for sale. So between us and our partners, as we're going to discuss, we really have all the expertise required to take programs from target validation through to preclinical.
Brilliant. Francesca, very quick background on Eurofins Discovery as well, for those who are not familiar with Eurofins Discovery.
So Eurofins Discovery has capabilities in drug discovery outside of antibody discovery, which we strategically partnered with Immunoprecise for, and we can do the rest of it, all the functional screening through in vivo models.
Fantastic. All right, so let's talk about AET and the event that was last week. First of all, how was the event for you and what were you talking to delegates about at AET?
Sure, I can take this one. So during the AET conference last week, we really focused on the Challenge Us campaign and what that partnership with Eurofins means to our customers. We really complement each other with a crew of experts from preclinical, from target validation through preclinical validation. This allows us to better provide end-to-end services, efficiency in both of cost and time, and as well as provide a coalition of experts for each custom antibody program.
Right, brilliant. Now, what about from the Eurofins side? What can you tell me more about the collaboration, what form that's taking, and what the benefits are to your customers?
So the biggest benefit is the vast experience that we have. We have a huge network of experts in their field, and that makes all our capabilities available to Immunoprecise clients. It's an extension of their capabilities. And as Tim just said, we can go all the way from target validation to preclinical services, and we do that together as one team. If anybody wants to know more about it, they can go to immunoprecise.com/challenge us to see this working model and learn more about the partnership.
Fantastic. And by the way, I will put that in text form above the video, so you don't have to sort of guess how to spell that. That will all be above the video as well. So I understand, obviously, you had the challenge last week to delegates to bring out the sort of the biggest antibody-related challenges and problems to your booth. So how did that go then? Now, what was the feedback from delegates at the show? And were there any challenges which were really interesting that came up last week?
Yeah, I mean, there always are. Realistically, every target that gets brought to us is tough these days. So the Challenge Us was a fun way of engaging with our clients to bring these conversations forward. So there were there's always some interesting targets that get brought up, and then we also really enjoy being able to show historical case studies where people have challenged us in the past, and IPA has actually risen to the challenge and actually, exceeded expectations of what we're looking for in terms of diversity and lead candidate generation.
Brilliant. And looking ahead, where can people sort of meet you in the coming years? So in 2022, are there any events in the early part of the year that you guys will be at?
We're supposed to be at Pep Talk, but obviously with the world ever changing and evolving, we'll see what form that takes in. And we're always present at most major conferences as well. Tim, do you have that?
Yeah, so I'll also be attending the Bio JPM virtual booth or platform this year, in which we'll be discussing our Talent Therapeutics company, which is a preclinical pipeline company that's focused on a wide range of therapeutic antibodies for partnering.
Brilliant. And what about for Eurofins Discovery? Are there any events that you're attending in the early part of next year?
Yes, we will be at the SLAS conference, again, depending on what happens with the pandemic. And then the first meeting where the biotherapeutics team in particular will be at PEGS Boston.
Fantastic. Well, funny enough, you should say a pep talk. So I just did the interview with the event director just before this call, actually. So, and they're very keen to make sure it's still a live event. So there's the hot off the press for you there. So that's going to be planning to still be alive. So fantastic. Well, look, thank you very much for giving that. If people want to know more, then they can check out the website address, which is immunoprecise.com, challenge us, and also the Eurofins Discovery website and the IPA website as well for the wider look at the services that you guys offer. So, lady and gentlemen, all that's left for me to say is thank you very much for taking the time out to talk to me today, and I wish you have a fantastic end to 2021 and a fantastic and healthy festive season and a great start to 2022. So thank you very much for joining me today.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rizwan. You as well.
And thank you, viewers, for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you'd like to know more about the Challenge Us program and challenge IPA and Eurofins Discovery with some of your antibody challenges, then go to the website, check that out, and also find out more services. And as you said, as they said, actually, there's lots of events that they will be attending at the first quarter of the year, in fact, in January. So see them at Pep Talk, at JP Morgan, SLAS. There you go. I remembered most of them that you just told me. So there's good. and also PEGS. So check them all out. And until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.